Today I'm going to show you how to add checklists to Trello. So the way the hierarchy works in Trello is being able to actually break everything down like this. So we've got a board, which is currently what you're looking at, and then you're looking at lists inside this board. So this board may be a client and the lists may be different departments. This board may be your organization and each one of these lists may be different clients. Or you could just have one organization and all of these lists represent different processes. We all do this in different ways. Inside every list, there is a list of cards. Now, these cards you can actually change the details of. So over here, it says quote. Okay, let's go ahead, click on it and open it up. Any one of these cards will have the same options. Go ahead, click on checklist. Here, you can change the title of your checklist. Click on add. Down at the bottom, you will see the option to add in items to your checklist. So let's go ahead and put some in. We've got task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. And this is a nice way of breaking down, yet again, these tasks or this card into smaller, more digestible work items. And there we go. We've got our 4 tasks over here within. So this is like a subtask in this task. You can go ahead now, you can see there's a progression bar, and every time you mark one, it will actually give you the percentage of completion. You'll now see that it is 100% complete. Now, if you go out of here, if you just close this card, you'll actually be able to see this little item shows that there's a checklist inside here. It'll also show you how far you are in your checklist.